Looking for Epicurious cookware sets for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1. Delicious ingredients, a splash of wine and a set of dependable cookware are all you need to create memorable meals in the kitchen. This 14-piece set of aluminum cookware from Epicurious delivers energy-efficient heating with triple-coated non-stick interiors that help you make healthier meals with less oil. By Epicurious. Number 2. Epicurious Aluminum Non-Stick 11-Piece Cookware Set in Arctic Blue. Another great product by Epicurious. Number 3. Cook your favorite recipes with ease and in eye-catching fashion using the copper-finished Epicurious Aluminum Non-Stick Cookware. Heavy-gauge aluminum body with impact-bonded stainless steel base delivers quick, even heat distribution on all stove types. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and gift ideas. Get yours now.